The keyboard is a Durgod Hades 65% layout. Because of that, I had a lot of extra keys from the set. And because it's a 65% layout, some of the keys didn't fit correctly. They're not the right size because they're made for a smaller keyboard. Or rather, the stock slots are for a smaller keyboard. So my function 1, function 2, and control keys down here, I had to use parts that I wasn't using from the numpad. That's fine, I know what they are, so I won't get confused. You know, if you have a normal sized keyboard, this is not going to happen to you, obviously, right? But the set obviously doesn't come with 2 function keys for this side of the keyboard, and the one that does come with the set isn't the same size as mine. Alright, what else? On this Durgod Hades, the shift key is a little bit smaller. So actually it's quite a bit smaller than a full-size shift key. The kit doesn't have a shift key that's going to fit here, so the shift key that is there is the stock key cap. You can kind of tell, but because all the keys around it are swapped out, it still looks alright. Other differences, the delete and the page down key are both a little bit shorter than the home and the page up key. So that's a little bit shorter. Aside from that, everything else here worked out fine. So again, these are the, what are they called? HyperX Pudding Keycaps. And if you're curious, for the last time, this was a Durgod Hades 65% layout mechanical keyboard. This one is in white. You probably can't tell that because it's dark. I got the box jade keys, key switches on this. So it's quite loud. That's fine by me. I don't care if anybody gets woken up.
Hello, another video here. This is the HyperX Pudding Keycaps. I love these. These are actually installed on my RK100, and they're just beautiful in sense of shine through, form factor. Look at that RBG shine through. If you're looking for some caps that are amazing feel, amazing touch, these actually sound amazing. These are on some browns. Amazing shine through. Half of the cap is translucent, so it does allow some amazing shine through. Look at that, just buttery smooth. The keycaps are PBT. They are very sturdy. I don't see these wearing down, and I type all day, every day on these keycaps. Easy to remove. These are amazing. These are not the HyperX. These are the stock RKs. From here over are all the HyperX. So just amazing little setup here. Yeah, definitely get them. They're priced pretty reasonably, and the performance exceeds the price.
So I changed out the keys on my particular keyboard. As you can see, I went with the stainless steel ones and then the pudding caps, and it's definitely changed the overall look of this particular keyboard, especially in the darker lighting. I think it turned out pretty well. I'd highly recommend it if you're getting the keyboard. And as far as the keyboard sound, as you can see, the pudding keys don't make much noise, and then the metal ones definitely add a bit more. Definitely worth it.
Halfway through. That's the old, that's the new. Looks so much better. It's a flaming LED thingy. As you can tell, it's like glowing like a flame. Almost there.